Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Propel Guru. We are back with another tutorial video, and let me tell you that this video will be highly exciting and beneficial, especially for businesses who want to rank their websites on search engines. We all are aware of how SEO works to level up the content and the website on which it is posted. But with the shift in algorithms, ranking your business website is easier said than done. You need to generate SEO friendly content. And today, in this video, we will discuss the 5 best ways to make your content SEO friendly. So without further ado, let's get this started. So what is SEO content? SEO content refers to creating content that helps your web pages to rank high in the search engine result pages. It deals with everything from writing to structuring the content on your web page rightly to help crawlers understand the scope and rank it suitably. Your idea must tone with a searchable phrase. Try to figure out what users are looking for on the web the most and aim to curate the content on the same foundation. If your entire content will have this searchable phrase, then it is most likely to be ranked higher and faster on the web. Second, know about the actual search engine queries. The idea or the content you're generating must match the needs of the readers. You should be familiar with what users want or search more and curate content based on their needs. For instance, if you create content on a specific topic that only a few users will be interested in, you might not get much traffic. But if you generate content on issues that are most searched, will help you rank higher and get more traffic to your site. Content should be structured. The structure of a content must have a proper format. It must have an introduction with the appropriate body and relevant statements from the author's viewpoint in conclusion. The introduction can contain facts and introductory statements relevant to the topic. For the body, try to incorporate phrases and examples to make the content more readable and compelling. In the concluding paragraph, you, as an author, must display your own thoughts about the topic. Fourth, use paragraphs and headings. The length of the content depends on how much information you want to deliver to the readers. Divide your content into paragraphs and research well to categorize your write-up under subheading, subtitles, and bulleted lists. It enhances the readability and helps crawlers to identify the content. Length of the content. The content can be both informative and entertaining. Ensure that the content you're writing is not very long, as eventually it turns out to be losing interest while reading. Try to make the write-up short and informative. So these were the steps to make the content SEO friendly. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon to not miss any updates from us. Thank you.